Addiction is much more deeper than just doing it. It starts with excitement, it starts with being inquisitive, it starts with private browsing or private behavior, scrolling in the night, hidden patterns. When you continually do this, your brain is hijacked. It becomes so difficult for you to be out of it. And honestly, it doesn't start with destruction. It starts with a habit. It starts with something I like, I'm enjoying doing it. My brain is excited anytime I get into that pornography, masturbate, get into strip clubs, visiting prostitutes, having strong sexual urge, strip club. But it comes in with shame. There's a circle of shame and guilt that follows every act of addiction. Shame is, I've done something wrong. Guilt is something is definitely wrong with me. And of course, we start living a double life, a life of being a chameleon. You're nobody knows what you're going through, nobody understands the secret battle. You are struggling. And of course, when you are caught, trust is broken. It affects everything. Sexual addiction is beyond, oh, I'm sinning against myself. It's a family system struggle. It affects your family, it affects your children. Everybody around you feels the impact of your sexuality that is not right. Hmm. When trust is broken, people begin to wonder, how did I get here? I trusted him, I gave him my heart. He's now cheating on me. That's a lot to handle. And let me be honest with you. If you're watching this video and you have the privilege of coming to this space, that tells you something. Your heart is telling you, I need to be out of this. I'm tired. I'm fed up. Who will help me? One man was asked after he was caught and he lost his life. And when I say life, I mean ministry, lost everything. And they asked him, but you're a preacher, you love God. He said, yes, I love God, but I don't have the fear of God. The addictive mindset shuts you down for being realistic, shuts your conscience down. I had someone that told me in therapy that sex, masturbation, watching pornography is a chore. That tells you the depth of the impact of that struggle in the soul of that person. I've seen people that are deep in loving God and still struggling with their sexuality. The truth is, help is available. That's why you're here. That's why you had to come through to this page to listen to me. It's possible to be healed. It's possible to be completely free from your sexual struggle. Somebody asked, I went to jail because I raped. And the question is, have you ever sought for help? And the man gave a powerful information that has never left my heart. He said he used to have a fish pond in his house in the US. He said he came home one day and the weather was freezing, the winter was much. And it's okay, let me put on a little heating just to warm up the pool for my pond, for the fishes in the pond not to freeze to death. And he said he made a mistake and he slept off. He said he was picturing the fishes, help, 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 until they all froze to death. That is the life of an addict. They don't know that there is help, but help is available. And that's why you're here. We don't treat without screening. You do your screening test, sexual addiction screening test. We have the diagnosis, we have the prognosis. And after that, what happens is we go through consistent patterned therapy. Not only that, we have 90 days recovery material to help you to break free from any sexual addiction. You can be healed. Help is available. Don't die in silence. Addiction is a secret sin. It's not like alcohol or cigarette that people will smell. You die inside. Don't die inside. Don't die in silence. Click the link below and get into your session of freedom. Help is available. Looking forward to having you, having to tell yourself, I'm free indeed. And you don't have to be religious. We have faith based recovery classes that we do to help people to be free, even if you're not a religious person. As long as you're struggling, help is available. Thank you for watching. Click the link below and meet me at your place of total freedom and recovery. Thank you for watching.